There are some days that you know are going to be special. Before you even get out of bed today is different. You say to yourself it's a holiday and something wonderful is going to happen. But what is holiday? It is a special day set aside for rest or play or for remembering something important or someone great. Ano ba yun? Has its own holiday for us to look forward to. Every holiday has its own costumes that make it special. Be right. It's New Year. Even Mickey is having a party. Minnie, and Freddy are helping Mickey. Get ready. Mickey and Freddy are very excited because this is one night that they are allowed to stay up late. Mickey is making funny paper hats for the guests. For the guests to wear, Freddy is putting colored paper into tiny pieces. For confetti, when the clock strikes midnight, the will throw the confetti into the air to welcome the new year. Look at the clock! Cries Let's get out the noise makers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone counts backward together. The new year is here. Meaning announce Happy New Year. Everybody cries. Look. On Valentine's Day, it's fun to tell people how much we like them. This costume started a long time ago in Rome. The Roman people used to think that there was a good named Cupid, a timid little fellow with wings. Oh, according to the old Roman stories, Cupid would fly around shooting arrows into people's hearts. These arrows were soft like magic feathers. They didn't hurt at all, but were they powerful? Anyone who was shot by Cupid would fall in love instantly. Is that why Cupid is trying on those wings? Doesn't he look funny? Does he look funny? Does he look funny daw? Bilis naman nito. Watch out for Cupid, Mickey. Tonight that must be why Mickey is decorating his Valentine with all those hearts. Bilis naman ito din. But Mickey has sickness in guess who do you think Mimi will be able to guess who sent it? Minnie how? Minnie Mouse. Papa si Mickey.
Naranasan ko yung mag-build na asin sa kanin, nagpulot-pulot ko ng pelo, iaan sa kanin para yung kanin. Kung ano yung pinatawag sa pamilya namin,
Ito complete daw yun.
Hindi man siya nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, nagkaroon siya ng magandang trabaho bilang sales representative. Kaya ngayon,
The winter is finally getting warmer. There
one day
are days when you don't even need a coat, but the trees get new ones just the same.
para sa iba. Pero
In shades of green, yellow, pink, and white. Spring is here. Is here.
Pero, as nung tumalay ko,
Every spring, Grandmother
pasensya na po talaga ako.
invites Damo nephews to see the new baby animal on her farm and to help her clever garden.
base sa datos ng Philippine Statistics
This
Report,
year, the boys can't wait to get home to plant a garden of their own first day. Turn over the earth to make the ground soft. Then they
yung pamilya ang mahirap.
bury
Sabi daw ni Jessica na mahirap pa rin ang
leaves
buhay.
in the dirt.
ang hirap.
Soon the
Kasi kung
will
sasabihin ko na
be
yun,
picking their very first flower and vegetables.
Malaki na raw ang ilusad. At kaya ang labis niya ipinagpapasalamat. Kaya,
Natulog ka ba?
malayo pa, malayo na.
April
Sabi sa mga kagaya ko dati, yun lang. Pagsikapan ng buhay kasi hindi naman
a day on
Para sa June, integrated with starring time at top, better
on
part
other
of
people. One April Fool's Day, healthy and friendly. Like this little April Fools! April Fools! Lucy and Freddy are having a good time. They're Easter egg is special. Some have ribbons, others have locals. Those one has zigzag, and the other has rippers and dots on it. So, ay dito pala red, yellow, green. The Easter bunny came last night and left basket full of chocolate bunnies and jelly beans. The Easter bunny loves to hide eggs and in secret places. Who found
Everyone will have a PWD card. It's very regularly seen. 100%
So on
PWD card use.
look, my bird.
We've had cases where husband and wife
Watch out,
have the same
Grandma.
serial number with their PWD
The
card,
blue
but it means a conjugal disability.
Thanks that each new Easter bonnet would make a great
We've had
place
pilots who
to
give
lay
PWD
her
cards for
eggs.
visual disability. In other words,
Where?
legally
Saan?
blind pilot.
Ang issue ay inimbestigahan sa Committee on Ways and
say Huey and Willie are
Ako, my
planning
experience,
a
to be honest,
surprise
may mga
for
kaibigan ko
Grandma
na
daw.
manginginom pero may PWD-ID.
Ayon kay Echalla, noong 2023 pa lang, tinatayang 88 billion ang nawala sa gobyerno.
The
A
88 billion is in the form
grandma
of taxes because you don't pay
and
VAT,
a boy
lesser
said
income tax
he
because the businesses are
cooked the
having
boys
deductibility. So 88
descended
billion
to
is
give
pagkaan
her
yan sa
a good
gobyerno. In
cleaning.
terms of
See how happy
discounts
Grandma
being
Duck
given by
looks?
establishments, it's
Her
166
car hasn't
billion pesos
been
being given by
cleaned
establishments.
since
Ang pinaka-apektuado ng
the last
mga
rain
restaurant.
storm.
I think you
And
see the significance
has
of why
a ring
a person with
a
disability is
railroad
allowed to
sheep,
claim 20% discount for
bucket,
25,000
a
pesos
special
off
apple
or
pie.
6,000
Yummy!
pesos. This inevitably
Yum,
will
yum.
raise prices. And when we raise prices, that will be harm the persons with disabilities themselves.
Sabi rin ng Department of
On
Finance,
Father's Day, Moby and Ferdy
If the system is abused in
would
this
like to
system,
show
then the only
Mickey
way to
how
recoup
much they
those
love
losses
him.
is
Mickey is scared of cold,
Sa
but
research ng
he's
opisina ni Echalla,
just like a
8.5
father
million gumagamit ng
to them.
PWD card sa bansa.
takes
Sa
them
Valenzuela
places
City,
and
taga City Hall pa ang nakuha
never
ng benta ng
really get
PWD
angry
card.
and
In other words,
Dad.
Opo.
at them.
Yes
Even
po.
the deer, a little
Totoo po. Kasi yung taong
a little naughty. Yeah, a little naughty. They're a little naughty.
sa City Hall. Nasa 500 hanggang 2,500 pesos daw ang bentahan ng PWD card.
Tapos na.
Online na ang
Tapos
bentahan.
na.
Facebook
Oh.
Market